Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make the two-colored I-cord with 4.5 millimeters crochet hook. Let's start with the slip knot. Then one yarn over the crochet hook. Then pull the other yarn with the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. So then again yarn over the hook. And then take the other yarn. Pull through both loops. Then again take the yarn over. Hold on to it. And then pull the other yarn through both loops on the hook. And that's it. So yarn over. Pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through. I hope you enjoyed making this I-cord as well as I did. Let me know of your thoughts or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.